Okay. So today we are going to discuss brief history of your AI part. AI scorecard means progress of AI in different aspects and AI in practice. So today we are going to discuss some real time based AI modules. And in your AI part, we are not going to start your Jupyter lab session today. From tomorrow, we are going to start your Jupyter live session. So remember, you have to install a software called Jupyter Notebook. You can simply install it from your Chrome. If you have any problem during installation, you can ask us. We will send you respective links. Let us continue. So in last session, we discussed about difference between human mind and your AI mind. So AI is completely based on algorithms, input-output systems, and user interference. So algorithm means you have to add some neurals in your AI. You have to add some algorithms in your AI. You have to add some extra program, extra senses to your AI to make a proper module that work according to human, that work according to human mind. So to prepare that AI, you have to add some soft skills also. You have to add some neural networks also. You add some algorithms also. So what are neural characters? Neural character means the human have neural characters in brain. So that's why human can identify between animal and human. Human can identify objects. Human can memorize. Human can learn new things. Human can express their emotions just because of neural character. Neural characters have different aspects and different different skills available. Out of that different skills, one skill is recognition. What is recognition? Recognition between two different alphabet, two different objects, two different persons. That is called recognition. So neural character recognition, for example, we have one example on your screen, that is cat and so actually human can select between cat and cut. So the above the above word is cat. CAT cat. Human can observe. But what if you give AI to analyze this thing? AI will analyze it as cut. Why? Because difference between neural characters. AI will select it as U instead of A. So many of you select as CAT cat, not cut. So neural characters of recognition is very important part of your AI. That's why the first practical you are having in your Python with AI, that is your audio to text converter or text to audio converter. That is audio recognition technique. So that is your previous practical already 1 year before this practical done for last year events. Now same with practical you have, that is text to audio, audio to text. Along with that, you have ChatGPT part and you have AI voice assistant called OK Google. So you have these practicals for your AI. So neural recognition is very important characteristics of human. Okay. So premise, guiding principle, and hard computing. What is precision? Precision means perfection. Precision means perfection, but around perfection. Around perfection. Accuracy means accurate, complete perfection. And precision means around perfection. Means trying for perfection. That is difference between your precision and perfection. So here we are discussing about precision. Just discussing about around perfection, not perfection. So your AI module may not difference between precision and accuracy, because remember, whatever AI module you are going to prepare, it is completely based precision, not accuracy. Means if you are creating an AI to convert text into audio, but if you want to convert any regional text, if you written any Kannada, if you have written any Hindi text or any other regional text, and if you scan that text and you want to convert it into audio, then your system might find some problems to convert. Why? Because your system cannot differentiate between precision and accuracy. And one more thing, your AI system cannot recognize problems like handwritings, some regional languages. If you want to make your AI that recognize regional languages, for that you have to input modules inside it. So in your Python, we already discussed about some modules. Modules are nothing but programmed file. It is a file or folder where already a particular programming is done for particular thing. And we as a user, as a coder, programmer, using that file and extracting to our Python to use. So like this, there are two of module called inbuilt and so inbuilt module and you have to install modules. So inbuilt modules means which are already available in your Python system. So if you are making AI part, you need to install external modules that is not already available in your Python. So we already discussed some external module like maths and some external module like speech recognition. So for your upcoming classes also, we are going to discuss some external module like PYTT SX3. This is one external module of your Python. By this module, you can create one recognition, AI recognition system. Let us continue. So recognition problems, now you can see on tutorial here. So if you tell AI system to recognize these things, if you tell your AI system to find ball, to find bag, to find cell phone, bird, your AI module will find some difficulty. It can recognize bottle 54%, laptop 73%, sports ball 20%, cell phone 89%, mouse 3%. So you can see the percentage of recognition your AI part will do. This is example if you created with finest AI, means you inbuilt complete module of recognition technique. So then also you will not find 100% recognition things. That is not like there are no any AI available that have successful recognition technique. They have, but there is difference between human and your AI. Now you can see here car number, difference between human perspective and your AI perspective is different. Your AI will try to reimage things. Your AI will try to board things. Human just simply recognize things as it is, but your AI will board it. So here some scanning images available of human brain. Now you see mobile robot coordination, new language processing and weather forecasting. So nowadays AI has huge impact in our future. Now you have your Google voice assistant. You have to just say oh, Google and search anything. You have your Instagram bot available. You have Telegram bots. So you can create Instagram bot, Telegram bot. If your business or if many visitors are there visiting your website, you can create a AI based chat box. So user can send their queries to that chatbot and you will get data analysis and then you can reply according to your convenience. Now weather forecasting is there. So for weather forecasting, we have satellites available. So what is use of satellite? Satellite will give actual imaging, means give actual geographical location of weather forecast. And weather forecast department will trace it and decode that locations into actual imaging. Satellite will give you actual location and actual image. That is called satellite view. In your Google map also you have one satellite view and you have one normal. So what is artificial intelligence? So there are some definition of your artificial intelligence given by different scientists, different researchers. The study of mental facilities through use of computer models, field of study that seek to explain and emulate intelligent behavior in terms of computational processes. There are many different prospective definitions are available. Remember, AI means artificial intelligence, creating a human brain and creating a robotic system like human brain. Remember. So we are creating a human brain. We are developing an human brain. So what is intelligence? Intelligence means ability to interact with world. Reasoning and plan, learning and adaptation. After end of this session, you will get this PDF. So you can go through this PDF. Some A definitions are there. You can go through it. Next, learning and adaptation. So this all things include your intelligence part. Now, what is intelligence? Perspective your AI part. Means perspective your AI part. What are intelligence things? So mathematical algorithms. Next, economic agents, neuroscience, psychology, computer engineering, control theory, and linguistics. So this all are intelligent in perspective of AI part. So history of AI. Now you may ask, in Python with AI, we discuss about AI course with respect to Python. But why AI history and all is important? Huh. People may find bore in these lectures because whenever we are introductory part is like complete history. You just have to listen, no practical. And theoretical part are some people will find bore. But it is quite interesting that history of your AI is interesting part. Remember, why this include? Because you can get actual idea how AI is developed or how AI is developing. Some researchers or some students find interesting about old AI systems like circuit models, brain models. So they work old AI system. If some student and some researchers find interesting about modern AI system like your auto driving system, like your Google Voice Assistant, so they will study in deep about that thing. So it's depend on your interest. But in your then we just covering basic of history, not complete history. Because history is very vast and deep. We are not going through that. So this history part you can read by yourself. It's not very important in your course. What thing is important? Your Jupyter Lab experiment is very important, which we are going to start from tomorrow. Today, just your introductory part about your AI. So you can go through these PDFs. Can computer play humans at chess? Yes, computer play. Now you can know in your computer, Windows 7 or latest Windows also, chess game is by default available. And one card game is available. Playing card game and chess game is available. Now you have one option in that game, computer versus you. So why that option is given? Now if you play Ludo, Snake and Ladder or chess in your mobile phones also, you will have one option called computer versus you. So computer can play. So how actually these things work? There are already some pre-programs available according to little neural, not complete neural, little neural intelligence. So whatever you are playing or you're playing any game or you're playing any music, you're playing any video, so your AI can recognize it. Your AI can trace it. Difference between recognition and tracing. Tracing means finding actual path, finding one particular path. That is called tracing. So your computer can trace you. Can computers talk? Yes. Now you have okay Google, Cortana, Google, you have Amazon Alexa. Next, current computer recognize speech? Yes. Can computer learn and adapt? Yes. Computer also learn and adapt, but there are some limitations in neuron. So whatever neuron you are creating means remember whenever I am saying neuron thing or any neuron word, don't take it as human brain because in your programming, neuron means organization technique, voice assistant, voice to text, text to voice, or your face scanning technique. So we are discussing about these things. This recognition we are discussing. Can computer see? Computer cannot see, but they can access your camera and can trace your face, trace your identity, and can computer plan, make decisions. So computer can plan and make their decisions also, but they are all under you. They're all under your surveillance and they are all under your govern. So these are just basics of your AI or introductory part you have. From tomorrow, your Jupyter notebooks will be there. You can go through this PDF. I will send this PDF after end of this. So any doubt till here? Yeah, I know your introductory part is very vast. Many things are not understandable. But when we are going for practical along with your theoretical part, then you will actually see what is happening. Then you can actually compare your outputs. So from tomorrow, we are starting that only. So today, we completed your introductory part of your AI. And remember, this introductory part is important as much your programming part is important. Whatever words we are using, neurons, recognition, precision, accuracy, this all what's going to repeat in your complete AI program part. So who know introductory part, they will understand this word and things what we are discussing. But who they do not know about that, they will find confusion. Then they will don't understand the sessions. Around 5 to 6 classes is already covered. In that session, we covered Python, some Python basics, some Python modules, some Python advanced programming too. And yesterday we started AI introduction, and today we ended our AI introduction. From tomorrow, Jupyter notebook session will be there. So any doubt till here? So be ready with your Jupyter notebooks. From tomorrow, we are going to start programming, your coding part. So we are ending our session here with your introductory part.